IST, Indian Standard Times. The longitudinal difference between the Gujarat 68.07 in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the 97.25 minutes in the east. So is 30 minutes. The earth rotated through the axis of 360 minutes is 24 hours. So 360 degrees is called 24 hours. Here is one longitudes is difference 4 minutes. One longitudes difference of 4 minutes. Here the Gujarat is located the longitude 68.07 minutes, and then 72, 78 and 82, 86 here, 90, 94, and Arunachal Pradesh is located in the longitudinal 97.25 minutes. So one degree longitudinal will make a difference of 4 minutes. So here Arunachal Pradesh is 97.25 minutes, Gujarat 68.07 minutes. The difference Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, the difference 29.18. So here 29.18 into 4. One longitudinal makes a difference of 4 minutes. Here 4 minutes. So difference 29.18 into 4, 116.72 minutes. So 1 hour is 30 minutes. 1 hour the 60 minutes. The 2 hours 120. So here the 29.18 into 4, 116.72. So approximately the 2 hours difference. The Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, the 2 hours difference. So the India, the confusion of the middle lines, the local time of the central meridians. So local times of the central meridians. So Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh with the middle lines 82.30 minutes. The fastest through in the Mirzapur. So here the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is a 2 hours difference. So this difference. So one country, 2 types of the times. So the Indian government avoid these confusions. So the middle lines, the local times of the central meridians is called the 82 degree 30 minutes. Is called a Mirzapur. Run passes through in the Mirzapur in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh state. The IST times 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes. So the GMT Greenwich Mean Times. The Greenwich Mean Times passes through in London. The GMT passes through in London is 12 o'clock, but the India is 5 hours 30 minutes. So difference 5 hours 30. The Sri Lanka 6 o'clock and Pakistan's 5 o'clock. So this side decreases, this side increases. So India is the Indian Standard Times 5 hours 30. The Sri Lanka that time 6 o'clock. Pakistan the 5 o'clock. So IST means Indian Standard Times. GMT means Greenwich Mean Times.